I made all of these really cool jewelry projects without a flame and without a torch. This is soft soldered jewelry, and guess what? It's all made with a soldering iron. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Beth Love, and I'm an author and artist, and I'm an expert in soft soldering, and I'm the author of the book Soldering Iron Jewelry. And today I'm going to share with you some of the projects that are on the cover of the book. Now, it's great to see photos, full color, beautiful photos in a book, but it's a lot different to be able to see things in 3D and in video. If I can't show it to you in person, the next best thing is I can make a video and show you some of these projects. Now, the first one I'm going to share with you is this Tree of Life soldered pendant. And this is a little bit more of an advanced technique, but guess what? All of the projects in the book start with the easiest. And as you work through the projects, I add skills as you go along. So you're learning more and more. I think this type of teaching in a cumulative fashion where you're building upon skills is a great way to learn. And I think that anyone can learn how to solder. And stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a brand new soldering course coming right up and there'll be more information on that. Now, the next project is this really pretty soldered bird's nest. On the cover, I show it with the turquoise colored beads, but on the inside of the book, I also show it with those really pretty pearls. Now, the next project I love. This is the caged crystal pendant, and you can use any kind of crystal or stone that you like for this project. I used a Herkimer diamond, and I'm really into rocks, and I'm part of a geology club, and I've been to New York to Herkimer and dug for these crystals. I featured my own crystal in this project. You can use yours that you find or that you buy. If you're like me and you like to collect rocks and crystals, this is a great way to show them off. My next project are these beautiful earrings. These are soldered earrings, and I did them in a teardrop shape. I also do them in other shapes, but this is the one I featured in the book. And you can learn how to do this. It might look difficult, but really, it's not. The last project I'm going to share with you is the amethyst ring. It's a crystal ring. I love this project, and you know what? It's a lot easier than it looks. Once you learn how to make these, you can whip them out left and right. And of course, you don't have to use an amethyst or a crystal. You can use any kind of stone you like for this project. I'm partial to amethysts. There's a farm I go to where we dig them here in Pennsylvania. This is a great project. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at these projects. There are so many more in the book that I have to keep secret because then it's no surprise if you know what they all are and you buy the book and there's no surprise. So make sure you check out the book. I'll link it above, and I have a new course coming up. And right now I have a wait list, which you can get on by going to laurabethlove.com. I will put the information down in the description. This is soft soldering for scaredy cats. And you know what? There are people who really want to solder, but they're just scared to start. Or maybe you have some other kind of fears about working with heat and working with melted metal. So be sure to check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notified when I release a new video. Leave me a comment below and let me know, what do you want to learn about soft soldering? Until next time, bye guys.